my life.
Okay, we're gonna try Boba for the first time.
Keeping you in bed, run me off the road again, leaving me for dead. With every word you keep your head on my shoulder.
What's up, Spotlighters? It's your girl Mahogany. We're back with another YouTube video, and today we're going to see the air show, and also we're gonna go hang out with my friend Kmar. Be a weekend in my life. Check the fit, check the fit. Okay, so I'm about to read this off to you guys so I can tell you guys what we're actually doing today. So we're going to the McConnell Air Force Base, and we're having an air show today because Wichita is the air capital of the world, and they're having like their annual like air show. So we're going to watch that today. Look at Cairo. Say hi, Cairo. Oh, I got that on video. I'm gonna expose you to the world on how annoying you are.
She got you.
Oh my God. You're choking. Get off of me. Well, guys, the air show is officially over now. Now I'm finna head home to charge my phone up, and then we're gonna go head out to go hang out with Kmart at the general store. Made it with Taylor and Kmart, and hold on, let's get the do they have a? Oh, yeah, there you go. That's the best chair. There's only 2 chairs. Ooh, it's nice in here. It's nice. Little X thing. It's so cute. Look at what I ordered. This is a caramel cheesecake at Papa's General Store. This looks so good. I'm about to eat all of this. Kmar's taking photos.
I'm trying.
He's eating his thing.
It's too pretty.
Look at this. What is this? This cheesecake is so good. We're going upstairs now. Oh my God. Wow, this is actually really... Y'all, we could have came up here and ate. It's a mirror. Come on, let's shoot the fits. Is my flash on? Yes, look into the fits. Come on, guys, take a mirror photo. I'm taking photos.
You should put that in the thumbnail.
These? Come on, guys. Look at these socks. These are cute. They have buttons and a whole bunch of
Look at this one.
Bye, Felicia. Yeah, Kmart made, where's the K? You're missing, hold on. And K. Mahogany, Taylor, and K, the best.
The 3 Musketeers. Oh my God.
Yes, hold on.
He hates that name.
I can't write with this little bitty chalk. The, 3. Wait, how do you write musketeer? Yeah, scribbles. Yeah. The 3 was really nice in here.
Mirror pics. Good idea.
Mirror pics.
Yeah. Right there.
We're probably about to go to the tea place now. Because now we're going on a walk. Where's the tea place? Taylor. It is a cute little tea house. Thank you. Oh, they got bagels. Ooh, this looks nice. It's really nice in here. I'm getting bubble tea for the first time. Boba, Bobo, I don't know. Whatever it's called. Oh, look in here, Kmar. It's really nice in here. It's really cute in here. I got strawberry bubble tea for the first time. Trying new things. What are you doing? Taking photos again. I just hit my head. Oh my God. Cups and stuff. This is really nice. The plants. Oh, look at Taylor.
I blinked. The song was too
Cheers. Cheers. Ew, that was so ugly. That was such an ugly cheers. Okay. Okay. 1, 2. Cheers.
Okay, now it's a good
Okay, I'm gonna try it for the first time.
Yes.
I'm gonna try boba for the first time.
They make the food the way I make it at home.
We're gonna try it the first time. Hopefully it's good
They make it
because I've
the
never
way I
had it.
taste, and I love it.
Okay.
Also, this isn't even an Asian place. What did you expect?
Spit. It's okay. First experience. Not very good. Okay. It's probably.
You got boba from a non-Asian place.
Yeah, so it probably would have been better if it was from an Asian place, but it's good. Well, the first experience with boba, not it at all. 10 out of 10, do not recommend.
You just
But
10 out of
10 out of 10, yes, 10 out of 10, I do not recommend.
Kmart, it's YouTube. Don't curse me. She's gonna get.
It's okay. It doesn't count.
She's gonna get flagged.
Just blur it out.
Do you get money for your YouTube?
Not yet, but we're gonna to
These are
soon.
like more higher production.
But we're sitting at this really nice area with our boba. Taylor said his is watery. Mine is
We can
not
turn it
okay. And Kmart's is barely.
Yes.
Do we turn it on?
Oh, we could turn this on? Oh, yes.
That's
We
permission
could
to?
turn this on.
No,
No,
just there.
we're outside.
Oh shit.
There's like a piece of boba stuck in the straw, and I don't want to drink it. I don't like the little ball things.
Bitch, turn it on.
We're all basically just saying how nasty each one of our bobas are. So,
I
hey.
do like the boba. I don't like the flavor. I just don't like the flavor.
Look, Taylor almost died on it. He doesn't like it that much.
This is so freaking sorry.
He almost died over there because it's so nasty. Kmar's taking photos and I'm struggling. Look, normally I would have been halfway done with this. I can't even. I cannot even. It's so bad. I wish this thing turned on because I would literally be over here. Why they just... eat that up, Kmar! The photo! Duh! I'm hyping. What else am I supposed to be doing? She's like, I don't know what you're doing. Taylor just let out a huge burp, guys. It's kind of sad.
Ignore that. Let's hurry up. Come on.
Okay, we're going to another store, y'all. We're going, y'all. Look, it's like a whole like square. It's called Clifton Square.
Okay, good one.
He just spit out boba at her. So nasty.
Bitch, I would be like,
Ew.
this is such memories.
I know, right? It was plus Kmar's birthday plus this. Yeah, memories.
Yeah, and the shoes this.
Why do I keep drinking this? This is so nasty. I'm gonna throw this away. I'm walking between two people's cars.
Where was the money?
I know, right? That was $6. This was $6. What a waste. What a waste. Clifton Square. Well, now we're going to this, like, there's a pizza place right there.
No.
There's a beauty. Where are we going?
Over here.
Where, guys, where are you guys running to? I can't run. I'm literally about to throw this drink away. It's so bad. Like, it's so bad. So bad. So bad. This is so cute. Oh, close the door. We won't let flies and stuff in.
Coffee bean.
I got cookies and cream.
You don't get claustrophobic in such a small space?
I don't. I'm good.
I can only text and email.
Then,
Which one did you get, Taylor?
I got coffee.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's nice over here. Yeah, let's sit here. I done had so much milk. I had that big old ice cream thing. I just had that nasty, disgusting boba. And now we're having cookie dough. Straight cookie dough. When I tell you I've had a very unhealthy day. Also, I had barbecue earlier. So today is just...
Yeah, I think this is mine.
Is that why you were late?
No.
Hey, hey. Oh, shit. Hey, shit.
Kmar. Look at her ass on the roof. Kmar, if you fall through the roof, I swear to God, I will not catch you.
You don't have to. You can just step on here, too.
I'm scared because I don't want to fall through. Abort mission, abort mission, abort mission.
What if she looks at us from the window?
Gonna be like these bad kids.
No.
Oh my God. The nerve. Taylor, you better not. I'm already recording this. Do Spider-Man. Da, 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 da. He's just being...
Well, it's really like one of those, you know what I'm talking about, where like...
Should we go in there?
It looks like one of those where, like, fashion models get ready at.
Ew, I do not want to get up here.
They're looking, look.
Oh.
That's so pretty.
Oh. Y'all, we are on the roof. Yes, we're being destructive today. I'm kidding. Oh, I'm scared.
Is that it?
We can't be on the roof?
I don't you.
I think I'm gonna eat this.
Y'all, we literally just got in trouble for being on the roof. I'm gonna cry.
Jump. What a small jump.
Taylor's leaving us, and now me and Kmar gotta figure out why is she celebrating? But we're finna probably go back to what's it called, Papa's General Store, and play board games with Kmart. I'm kind of sad Taylor's leaving us.
You're taking the long way. Come on.
Why? Because we're being civilized people. Look at her. She's just so mean. Such a bully. She's such a bully. Huh?
You smell that?
Yeah.
It smells like weed.
We smell a bit.
Don't be saying this on my YouTube channel. Y'all gonna get me in trouble.
It's like center it off, I think.
I'm not censoring nothing out. Okay. Okay, Taylor just left us, and as we were walking in here, there was some fine white boy walking out. We literally, he was fine. And we like, Taylor missed it. So Taylor, if you're watching this, you missed the fine white boy. You missed it. He was cute. He was cute. Yeah, you missed it. You missed it. You missed it all. Like literally smells just like your dad, but never farts. You know what's so funny? My stepdad, he always farted. He called them the sour B's and the sour F's. It was horrible, deadly. I don't recommend it.
Okay.
But no.
Name drops during dirty talk. Owns a adorable coffee shop.
No, red flag.
That is so stupid.
This game is not for kids.
As long as you date them, you can only eat food off the dollar menu. Knows everything about
blank.
someone. They're stalkers. And cheapo for food.
Yeah, like what you doing to the dollar menu? Play Jenga. Hopefully we can do this. I don't know how to stack them though, so we gotta figure out how to stack them. Oh, right.
How could you forget that?
No, but they have to be spread apart.
What? No, they don't. They have to be together.
No, they don't. That'll make it harder.
Oh, more difficult. Okay. Wait, so it'd be easier for it to slip out.
No, it's 3x2s. It's 3x2. You see?
Don't let it.
It's 3x2.
Oh, we're doing that one? I never did that one before.
Girl, have you ever played Jenga?
Yeah,
it's 3x2.
3x. Okay.
You just want me to lose. I hope this does not fall. Ooh. Ooh.
Alright.
I fear my life. No. No. Oh, no. 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 Wait, hold on. Okay, I got one.
Finally.
I don't want to die. Ate that up.
Wow. Just wow. Work with me here. Work with me here. I lost.
So I got 1 point, you got 1 point. Oh, we're making little buildings. Okay. Let's have a building contest to see who can make a better building.
I'm never gonna forget that whiteboard though.
I think he had a prom date.
It was a prom because the way they were dressed, and I saw that had like the
What's
thing in
it?
their
The
hand.
crouton? Or what? I call it a crouton. I don't know what it's called.
Crochet? No,
I don't know what it's
I
called.
don't know,
But what's the things you wear during prom?
like the bracelet, like
Yeah, that thing. Haha, I win.
At least mine was cute.
Mine is actually cuter. Cause look, don't you dare.
I'm not. But how far are you gonna make it?
I don't know.
Imagine it makes a big noise.
Let's see how tall I can get it to go.
If it falls on me, I'm gonna cry.
If it falls on me, I'm gonna cry.
Hey, but getting it on camera, that's embarrassing. Okay, I'm gonna move it.
I'm scared. I was like,
could've killed me.
I'm moving with extra caution.
That could have killed me.
It was not gonna kill me.
You just got the bottom too.
But we're fin to go. Y'all, look
Guys,
outside. Look outside. It is so nice. And not go by Kmart.
How do I get this down?
There's a fit check. Mr. Smart, I know how to do this. Now she doesn't know how.
It's because I don't have this kind of line. Can you help me?
No, remember when you was just talking stuff on me, not knowing how to work the blinds? Here, hold this. Hold this. I got this. Fuck.
That's the part I like. You pulled it up.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. Wait.
Shoot.
Did we break it?
You did break it.
No, I know how. It's just not going.
On one side.
Oh, there we go.
Let's leave it like that.
Oh my god. Dude, I hope I did not break this. Oh, there we go.
Okay,
There we
okay.
go. I fixed it. Hold on. Let me fix this.
Yeah, like tie a knot at it or something.
How do you make this?
This is not working.
There you go.
out. Okay.
Oh, look, they have a cute magnet wall. Oh, are these stickers? I don't know what these are. Very much so. Very, very much so. Adult language. Come on, Kmart. Oops. Is this chess?
Huh?
That's chess.
Oh, this is checkers.
What do I do? What do I do? Okay. I just dropped a game on the floor. So original, guys. So original. Heading outside now because Kmart's mom is going to be on her way. Because we're leaving. It's like 9 something. What is this?
Don't record it. This don't. A little bit.